Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Vshow here, and they sent me this beautiful wig. But before I show you guys the wig, I'm just going to be showing you guys what they sent me inside the packaging. So they sent me their card as usual with their social media handle, Instagram, Facebook, and all of that. They sent me these beautiful lashes, and they also sent me some stocking cap. But I didn't use the stocking cap because I already had one on. So yeah, they sent me the stocking cap and then they sent me the wig. So I did bleach the wig. I did go ahead and bleach the wig and washed it and everything. But this lace was extremely like thin and good. Like, I love the quality of this lace. Like, it was like A1. Okay, you don't have to pluck the hairline. It comes pre-plucked, but if you're like me, I normally go in and pluck a little bit more. I don't know, I just feel like I have to touch it. But if you're not like, if you don't care for plucking extra, you really do not need to pluck this wig because it came pre-plucked. But yeah, I was so excited, like so excited. But yeah, for some reason I lost the clip with me bleaching the hair. I wanted to switch it up a bit and put some colors in, like do something different. So I went ahead and I literally just did random pieces and just bleach it. Like, I just bleached some at the front, and in the back I just did random pieces. So it's up to you guys, like whatever you want to do. Like, if you want to do more pieces, if you want to do less, it's really just up to you. I just freestyled it. And then I had a few Adore dyes, and I just went in with random colors. So I'm not really showing you guys exactly what I did and what colors I used, because you guys are able to freestyle and do whatever you like, and that's the best part about it. Like, you don't really have to follow exactly what I did or the same colors that I used, because you have a chance to pretty much use whatever colors you want to use. And I feel like that's the best part about doing your wigs, just having fun with it. Like, I've been really having fun with my wigs since lately. So I wanted to do something else. I wanted to enjoy my wig. But yeah, you don't really need to use the same color that I used. I just randomly went in and I used a 30 volume developer, bleach different parts of it, and then just add different colors. But yeah, that's all I did, and I'm just going to be applying the colors, and I'll be leaving the colors on the hair to like process for a bit, wash it all with shampoo and conditioner, and then do the installation of the video. But I'm not really showing you guys step by step, because again, it's up to you guys what colors you want to use and where you want to put the colors. It's just to add spice to the wig.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends.
So this was what the wig came out looking like. Honestly, I wish I had went in and put a little bit more colors like back here, but it's whatever. The colors are here and there, and I kind of like the fact that it's sometimes I like the fact that it's hidden in here, but then the next time I really wanted more colors here just to show up a little bit more. Like just to make it pop a little bit more. But it is what it is. It is what it is. I'ma just do the video still. This look was kind of a fail. I'm probably gonna try it next time. I just didn't have a lot of colors, and I didn't want to go to the store. I wanted to just get this over with. So yeah.
Anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So guys, when I cut this wig, I feel like I went a little bit too deep on this side, but nevertheless the install was not like it didn't interrupt the install or anything, but I just feel like I cut that part like on that side a little bit too deep. So when you're cutting your wigs, please be careful because you don't want to make the same mistake that I did. But yeah. The glue that I'll be using is the Kiss glue. So I think I said I was gonna update you guys about the glue to let you guys know like if it actually holds up. Um, for me, I applied, I'm gonna say like 2 layers of the glue, and it actually, I'm lying. Okay, so for this install, I think I applied 3, and it actually stayed. It stayed for like 4 days. Just because I had to keep the wig on for a little bit longer because I didn't take the pictures as yet, and I had to take pictures before taking it off, so I had to keep it on for 4 days, and it held up. However, my red and black wig that I did, like the wig with the red patches, when I used it and I only used like I think 2 layers, it kind of came off on the 3rd day. So that's that. That's that. Yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update because I remember I said I was going to do it, but I don't remember if I did. So that's just a little update for you guys.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Okay, so I had to zoom in so you guys could see how melted this lace was. Like, I didn't even need baby hairs. Like, this was my skin. Like, this was growing out of my scalp. I kind of overplucked the middle part a bit, but whatever. But at the end of the day, like, this was literally coming out of my skin. This lace was everything. Everything. Like, Vshow hair did this, you know, like, they did their thing with this hair. So for my baby hairs today, I wanted to do, well, not today, but like for this wig, I wanted to do fluffy baby hairs. So I wanted to do mousse, and then I wanted to comb it out because I really wanted that fluffy, flawless type of baby hairs. I don't normally use mousse because for some reason I feel like it just never stays. And I feel like it lifts up the wig, but surprisingly, this one worked. And I used the Tresemme mousse. So yeah, I used the Tresemme mousse to do my baby hairs, and it actually stayed. So what I did was I just use the mousse, lay my baby hairs the same way I would with like my Got2b gel or what edge control or whatever. And then after, I allowed it to dry and then just combed it out, and it actually came out nice. But yeah, that's what I did. I didn't cut it. I made the baby hairs long, and then after combing them out, that's when I cut them to the length that I wanted. So just form the baby hairs, because forming it is the most important part. And after, you could always cut it down to make it shorter. And you could always fix them after it's dried in place, but you want to make sure it is form and dried in place.
It's a fruit and you know that pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
And for my curling, guys, I layered the front part of my hair, and this is pretty much the secret to getting a full body adi in your wigs. Like, you have to cut it. I know a lot of persons, they don't like cutting their wigs, but you have to layer your wigs if you want it to look more fluffy. I'm speeding up this part because I have a lot of videos showing how I curled. You just curl away from the face, on both sides. So if you're curling on the right, you curl towards the left, and if you're curling on the left, you curl towards the right. To that way. Yeah, towards the right. No. To the left. Yeah, I'm right. What am I doing? Anyways, you just curl away from the face. So curl going away from the face, not inward, away from the face. And then don't just comb out your hair like with the comb right away. Like, leave your curls to cool for a little bit, let the curls set in place, and then go in with your fingers, fluff it out, and pretty much do your thing. I also use Sebastian Shaper Plus spray. It helps to kind of shape the hair, as the name states, and it helps the curls to form and stay in place as well. So this is really a good addition to have or to add to your hair product collection.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
So this is pretty much the final look. I just went in and combed out the curls, combed out my baby hairs, cut my baby hairs down, and yeah, that was pretty much it for the install. Once again, I would like to thank Vshow Hair for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this hair, and I'm happy I was able to explore and did, like, you know, cute little accents to the hair. That's what I'm gonna call it, the colors accent. But yeah, thank you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Ciao.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look.